Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times this week, so that is where the green lines down here are coming from. And today's price action I would call bullish for really 2 reasons. The first reason, we need to establish some context, and I realize this context is nothing revolutionary, but on Thursday, it was a very, very nasty day. I mean, it was basically straight down, nasty, nasty, nasty. So the big question going into today was, is this the start of something bigger? Is this just going to get that much nastier? What's going to go on? And no, it was a very anticlimactic day in that sense. Anticlimactic meaning all the price did was basically go sideways the remainder of the day. So sure, sideways isn't necessarily as exciting as the price exploding upwards. But again, going back to the context of the price just getting absolutely destroyed, then yeah, going sideways after getting destroyed, that's again, I would call that a very bullish situation. Now, that doesn't mean that anything is guaranteed, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. And then the other dynamic that makes this very interesting is the final 30 minutes here of the day, and I suppose now that it's a Friday, that would make it the final 30 minutes of the week too. Had a nice little candle there. Nice volume, nice green candle. So, is this starting to wake up going into next week? We'll have to see what happens. But again, definitely a nice little green candle to end the week, end the day, better than some sort of, candle that looked like that. So again, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. I wish I could say that because it got destroyed on Thursday and then went sideways today and then ended the final 30 minutes with a nice green candle. That means that this is for sure the bottom and this thing's for sure exploding back upwards. If only trading were that easy. But is it at least logical to think that? Is it at least logical to throw that out? Yeah, absolutely. Case in point, if the chart looked like this today where all it was doing was going down, down, and down, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom, you would be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? That doesn't make any sense. But obviously that's not the case, right? It went sideways. So is it guaranteed the bottom? No, but does it at least make sense to think that it could be the bottom? Absolutely. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, I would call it today quite bullish with the sideways price movement. Nice final 30 minutes. So let's see if this can all kind of build upon itself and create some sort of bounce next week. But a lot of eyeballs going to be on it. So let's see what happens.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.